Imagine for a moment that one of the greatest secrets in history isn't buried in forgotten archives, but hidden beneath kilometers of ice in one of the most inaccessible places on Earth, Antarctica. A land so extreme that, even today, large portions remain unexplored. Now consider this. What if during World War II, Nazi Germany found they're the perfect place to hide something or someone? This idea may sound unbelievable at first, but as fragments of real history, official expeditions, and unexplained events begin to connect, the picture becomes far more intriguing. In the next minutes, you will dive into a story that blends confirmed facts with mysteries that remain unsolved to this day. And by the end, the question will be unavoidable. Is it just a myth or something much closer to reality? It all begins in the late 1930s. In 1938, Nazi Germany organized an official expedition to Antarctica, targeting a region they named New Swabia. On the surface, it appeared to be a strategic move focused on exploration and resource acquisition, especially whale oil, which was vital for industrial production at the time. But one detail changes everything. German aircraft flew over vast, icy areas, dropping hundreds of swastika flags, marking territory as if claiming something far more significant. Reports also mentioned detailed mapping, geological surveys, and a focused interest in specific zones of the continent. This was not just exploration. It hinted at something deeper, something that was never fully explained. As World War II progressed, the theory takes a darker turn. With Germany facing increasing pressure, some believe plans were made for a strategic escape. According to various interpretations of historical records, German U-boats were dispatched toward remote regions, including the southernmost parts of the planet. These submarines were advanced for their time, capable of long, covert journeys. Some documented cases show U-boats disappearing without a clear trace in the final days of the war. This raises a critical question. Where did they go? For some, the answer lies beneath the Antarctic ice. The mystery intensifies with theories suggesting that the Nazis may have discovered geothermal areas beneath the ice, places where underground heat creates caverns and liquid water environments. Such locations could, in theory, support hidden structures shielded from the outside world. This leads to the idea of a secret base built deep within the Antarctic, housing scientists, officers, and advanced projects. However, it is crucial to separate speculation from evidence. There is no verified scientific proof that such a base was ever constructed. Still, the concept continues to fuel curiosity and debate. Then comes one of the most enigmatic events tied to this story: Operation Highjump in 1946. Officially, it was a United States military mission aimed at testing equipment and training personnel in extreme cold conditions. But the scale of the operation raises eyebrows. Over 4,000 troops, numerous ships, submarines, and aircraft were deployed. Even more intriguing is the fact that the mission ended earlier than planned. Statements from Admiral Richard Byrd hinted at potential threats emerging from polar regions, which has been interpreted in multiple ways, from standard military caution to far more speculative theories. From that point on, reports of unidentified flying objects in Antarctic regions began to surface, adding another layer to the mystery. Some accounts describe aircraft performing maneuvers far beyond the technological capabilities of 1940s. For proponents of the theory, this suggests the existence of advanced technology developed in secrecy. However, most of these claims lack verifiable evidence and are often attributed to misinterpretations or natural phenomena. Experts consistently emphasize that no solid proof supports these extraordinary claims. On the other hand, historical analysis offers more grounded explanations. The 1938 expedition was real, but largely economic and territorial in nature. Operation Highjump, while massive, fits within the early Cold War context, where demonstrating operational capability in extreme environments was strategically important. As for the missing submarines, wartime chaos often led to incomplete records, making their disappearance less mysterious than it might seem. Yet, Despite these explanations, the allure of the unknown remains. And that is the key element that keeps this story alive: Antarctica itself. Beneath its frozen surface lie subglacial lakes, hidden mountain ranges, and vast unexplored regions. Even with modern technology, much of it remains beyond our reach. This unknown continues to inspire theories, speculation, and narratives like this one. In the end, the idea of a secret Nazi base in Antarctica exists between two worlds: historical fact and imaginative expansion. So now, the question is yours to answer. Is this simply a story built from coincidences and misinterpretations? Or could there be something hidden beneath the ice, waiting to be discovered? Because history has shown, time and time again, that not every secret stays buried forever.